Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to new updates of Odoo 18.1. In today's video, we will discuss about sending chats for the technical knowledge. So let's move on to the live chat, and from here we can just move on to the configuration and choose the chatbots. So in this case, you can see that the chatbots, and if there is no expertise, we can just use this chatbots, and you can see that I have already created a script like our team will contact you, and that will be the message, and it will be giving a reminder that this step will be only be playful or played if no operator is available, and planned further steps for the board in case if no operator is available. Afterwards, you can choose a step type, and we just need to forward this to the operator, and we can just choose that. And afterwards, you can set the operator expertise, and you can also set only if I have a praising questions, or I'm looking for your documentations, and I'm just looking around. So we can easily manage with sending the chat for the expertise in Odoo 18.1 live chat. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.